communicate with us. Got his own microphone. Kevin, you want to say hi? Been around the back watching the show. What do you think? It's pretty good. Yeah. Seen some amazing adaptations here today of parrots and birds of prey. Kevin, can you tell everybody what's the most amazing adaptation of all birds? Wings. Wings are pretty important. These wings to be able to fly around, no doubt about it. Earlier on I was out here with an owl. Bit of a low flyer, bit of an exciting bird. Not quite sure if you're listening or not. Could explain that owls can actually see in an arc of 270 degrees. It's a long way around. What about you, Kev? How far around can you see? 360. Wow. What about our raptors? They're cool. Things like the black kite, they catch and kill their prey with their feet. Kevin doesn't do that. He's got pretty cool feet though.